February 2007 ice storm was an incredible act of nature that caused undue hardship for our members and our employees. To our members, you are some of the most patient, caring, and resourceful people I know. We have each come to depend on electricity in our daily lives, and to go without power for a few hours is tough. A few days is beyond tough. Yet facing the harsh reality of life without electricity, our members showed us what they are made of. Your expressions of care and support has humbled us. Your kindness is a reminder of what it means to be part of a cooperative family, where concern for each other and community are unending. To our linemen, employees, and your families, you are the best, and I commend your dedication in serving our members. Most of our employees work 12 to 16-hour days through the storm. That's a tough schedule for anyone, yet you did it willingly. When you add to the fact that some employees didn't have power in their home, it's even more admirable. Even still, our employees have demonstrated unwavering dedication and safety that our members can be proud of. We know this is not our first or last ice storm, yet whatever Mother Nature has in store for us, we will work through it together.